Okay, back to here. Now we're going to do soffit at that height on the eave walls. We can't really apply it on a sloped wall, or maybe we can. I'll have to look at that. Oh, that's cool. That's interesting. I have to look at that. Okay, so we're going to do it on the eave walls, on the flat walls, um, front and back. We're going to wait on the porches until we built our porch beams. Wow, I'm running 18 minutes on this video. I'm going to have to cut it and splice it. Okay. All right, I want to show you the, let me get back there, how we're going to deal with this trim. Ooh, because we're going to have a piece of trim up against the house right here. So let me show you how we're going to deal with that. I need to know a distance down from my roof because it needs to go from there to there. Wow, that is just a weird measurement. Um, let's see if we make this easier. What? I'm thinking if we take. Don't you just love this problem solving on the fly? If I want this to be a half inch up, 69 1/28. So it's basically got to come down 5 1/28 of an inch. Man, that's just okay. We'll stick with the height we got, that the 3/4 offset for that. So what I need to know, because we're going to do a soffit, or excuse me, we're going to do a fascia, but we're going to give it a vertical and a horizontal offset, and so that will put a piece of soffit or fascia board right here against the house. But I need to know the height from top of my roof to the bottom of that. 7. Let me write this down. And 87 256. Okay. I also need to know the distance from there to there, which is 1 foot. Okay. All right. So now we're going to go with fascia, but we need a 1/6. So we're going to go edit type, duplicate, fascia 1/6, fascia flat 1/6. Okay. Okay. Vertical offset was going to be 7 and 87 256 inches. A horizontal offset minus 1 foot. And then we're going to pick this edge of the roof. Oops. I didn't give it a negative vertical offset. Awesome. Okay, and so you can see there it put us a piece of 1/6 fascia in there. Oh, where's my section view? Right here. So now I can pull my siding down until it matches there. And then let's go back to my 3D. Now what I'll have to do is edit that back against the house at this end and do the same thing down, drag it on down, or I can add add a segment because we ended up with different wall types across there. So let's go ahead and add a segment there. And I'll add one there, and then we'll see what happens with it. Okay. And as far as joining these things together, I think we might be better off to do that in an elevation view. So this is on the north side. Huh. Okay, I ended up clicking the wrong part of the roof there. So uh, I ended up picking the fascia edge instead of the roof edge. Oh, that looks better. Okay, but now this one I'm not sure. Yeah, I did the same thing there too. Uh, okay, so let's get those in. Now let's go to my elevation and drag that one back. Drag that over till it joins. Drag that back to there. And then, what was it? My west. Come on, why won't you? It won't let me move it. Which is weird. Let me go to my 3D view and try it here. Oh, that was weird. Oh, that's the end of it. There we go. That looks better. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so you got an idea of how we're going to do that. So we can do soffit and the building, I'm going to call it a sub fascia. It's a 1x6 trim on the eaves of come on, zoom, on the flat part across the back, that little corner there. Go to the front, we'll do it on this wall up to here, and then we'll have to stop. You can do it here because our next set of videos is going to be on getting our porch column and beam and stuff going on in there. Okay, sounds great.